Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to restore your car headlights using basic household products. Now there are a number of different ways which you can restore your car headlights, but because we're in ISO, I've decided today to use these three basic products: Windex, vinegar and baking soda, that most people can find in their houses. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Windex and give this headlight a really good clean. Now as you can see, that makes a big difference straight away. However, there still is hazing in that headlight. You can see it across the top here. So what I am going to do now is make a paste out of the baking soda and the vinegar by mixing them together. Now because the baking soda is basic and the vinegar is acidic, when I mix the two together, it is going to make a reaction. However, then we're going to have a neutral pH rubbing compound which we can rub onto that lens. Got a nice paste going there. And the good thing about this is it's not going to hurt the paint. So with my paste, I've got one of my microfiber cloths and I'm going to rub that onto the lens. And with that rubbing done, what I'm going to do now is give it a clean with the Windex. Wow, already we can see that is a remarkable result for not much effort. So looking at that, I might give that just one more go with the bicarb soda and let's see how it comes out. As I pointed out in the beginning of the video, it has this section along the top which just has a little bit more hazing to it. That's why I'm just putting that little bit extra effort up here. So look at that, folks. I've just given it one last clean there with the Windex and look how good that is looking. Just 3 minutes of my time and we've gone from a hazed headlight to something that looks nearly like brand new. Now what I might do, folks, is I might go and see if I can find some polish to actually give it a protective coating for the long term. Folks, I've just gone out to my shed and found this liquid polish. I'm just going to put a bit of that on there to give this a long-term protection. Hey folks, so that's it. There's how to restore your headlights with basic items that most people will find around their house. If you found this video helpful, do feel free to like it, and if you have any suggestions, do feel free to leave a comment below.